Hello and welcome back. Today we're going to cook chicken curry. Let's do this. To start, we're going to count the chicken drumstick. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 chicken drumstick. After that, we're going to stab them hard to make some air to let them breathe. Oh yeah. After that, we add some lemongrass, some shallots, and some garlic to give more flavor, I guess. After that, we add curry powder. Oh yeah, 1 tablespoon. And more flavor, oh yes, 1 more, 1.5 tablespoon. And then we add some chicken powder. Why not? Chicken powder on chicken. Some salt. And then 1 teaspoon of sugar. Next, it's some pepper. And a little bit of annatto oil. And finally, we add the fish sauce. Once done, we'll give the chicken some massage. Then we let them rest for 30 minutes. Meanwhile, we're going to remove the skin on the carrot, the sweet potatoes, and the taro. And then we're going to cut them in small pieces, starting with the carrots. Then the sweet potato. And finally, the taro. Once done, you heat up the pan and then you add some oil and then you throw the sweet potatoes and the taro and then you cook them. Once one side is cooked, you turn the other side. All of them. In a separate pan, you put some oil. Then you add the remaining of the shallots and garlic. After that, you throw the chicken in. And then you cook them. Once they are dry, you want to drown them with a lot of water. And then you add some carrot. And then you cook for 15 minutes in medium heat. After that, you add the sweet potatoes and the taro. Mix them well, stir and mix. And then cook for 5 more minutes. And then you add some coconut milk. More flavor, it's better. Shake them well, shake them. And then you taste it. Is it good? Nope, not enough. So you add some fish sauce. And voila! Bon appétit!